All right, Corey. Today we're going to talk about being passionate. We've got a banner hanging in the KWI shop, and it's got the 10 things that you can do to be successful that don't cost you a dime. They require zero skill, and on that list is being passionate. What does it mean to you to be passionate?
Loving what you do. I found out young that I wanted to be a welder, and I fell in love with it. Not necessarily the money. I mean, if you're getting paid to do what you love, then that's freaking awesome. I mean, in my book. Don't be the guy that works the 9 to 5 and you feel like a slave. The day's drawn out and you don't enjoy what you do. When you go to work, you should be passionate about what you do. The day should fly by, essentially. Put your heart into it.
Yeah. I've always said, and it's not that I don't enjoy my weekends, but if you're one of those cats that is doing nothing, but on Monday you can't wait till it's Friday. On Wednesday it's hump day, you can't wait till it's Friday. On Friday you're so happy it's Friday because you're just living for that weekend. I feel sorry for those cats because they're not enjoying what they only get to live life 2 days a week, I guess. I enjoy what I do. I look forward to going to work. That's the kind of place I want to be. And if you're not, if welding doesn't excite you, if you don't get excited or passionate about that Monday through Friday or about those 7-12 just working, then maybe find another career.
Yeah, trust me, this career from the word go is going to take from you. I mean, your eyes are going to get weaker, your lungs will get weaker, you're going to have fatigue early because you're going to get older. The wear and tear on your body. But if you've loved what you're doing the whole time, then it's worth it, but
be passionate.
Yeah, be passionate.
Enjoy, and don't you want to live that way, I guess. When you're picking a spot, don't weld for the money, folks. If that's the only reason you're coming to KWI is to train and get those high-paying jobs, it is excellent. Don't get me wrong. The money's good. Great. But if you're looking at this for just the money and you don't necessarily like working, you don't like seeing what you've built at the end, if you don't like welding, then honestly you're in the wrong gig altogether. You need to find a career that you're passionate about. Now, if you're passionate about welding, then we feel we've got the best training program for you. We're going to launch you, catapult you into the weld industry, running and gunning with a resume that's eye-popping that HR reps are looking for. But again, being passionate. When you're at KWI, when you're going to school with us for 24 weeks, man, come in early, stay late, show us that you want to be here. That's going to help out a bunch. People pick up on that, Corey. You want to hang out with people who are having a good time, who are joyful and passionate about what they're doing. You will, on the job, you'll get called first, you'll get laid off last, and those paychecks will stitch together much easier.
Yeah, I'm going to speak on being passionate one more time. Our instructors, they're passionate about welding, they're passionate about rigor, they're passionate about being drug-free, and they're also passionate about teaching you. Okay, that goes hand in hand. You've got to love your job, guys. If you don't love teaching, I never thought I would be great at this or good at it, period, because I don't communicate very well. But it's fallen in. I'm actually doing really well at this. I'm passionate about teaching kids how to weld. So
it gets exciting watching some of those cats when they turn loose and they make it. They're calling back with those success stories. It really energizes you and gets you going.
Yeah, get your blood pumping. And it makes you proud of them and yourself because you could get something through to them.
Yeah. So. Good stuff. So again, if you're passionate about welding, then KWI is where you want to be.